Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Acura MDX brake pads the only way. Start by loosening lug nuts, lifting the vehicle, and placing secure jack stands under solid points. Remove the wheel and inspect the rotor and caliper condition. Gather new pads, hardware kit, and brake grease. Keep a clean workspace and follow torque specs when reassembling. Test pedal feel before driving and perform a short, slow test drive to bed in the new pads. Begin by removing the caliper guide bolts and sliding the caliper off the rotor, then support the caliper to avoid hose strain. Take out the old pads and note hardware orientation for reinstalling. Clean the caliper bracket and apply brake grease to contact points. Use a piston tool to compress the caliper piston slowly and evenly until it sits flush. Replace any worn clips or shims before installing new pads and reassembling. Position the new pads with their backing plates correctly and fit any anti-rattle clips or shims. Reinstall the caliper over the rotor and start the guide bolts by hand to avoid cross-threading, then torque them to spec. Refit the wheel, snug the lug nuts, lower the vehicle, and perform a final torque in a star pattern. Pump the brake pedal until firm and check fluid level, then clean up and prepare for a test drive to bed and pads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.